Former President Donald Trump has been found guilty of all 34 charges. I'm your neighborhood reporter Jessica Davis, getting public reaction from people about the verdict, as well as how they feel about the upcoming election. On Thursday, former President Donald Trump was convicted of 34 counts of falsifying business records.
There's not exactly like a law that says that as a felon you can't run for president, so I don't know what that's going to do for much when it comes to justice.
Yeah, well, I mean, the timing is pretty odd, right? And I don't know if it's a coincidence or, but in any case, right, these things need to happen, no matter what the timing is.
Trump is the first U.S. president to be convicted of a crime. The decision came down to 12 New York jurors. The hush money trial stems from falsifying documents that impacted the 2016 presidential election.
You have a Democrat prosecuting attorney going after a man for charges from years ago to try to revive those in an attempt to take out the political candidate against the Democrat failed president. It's a very sad day to see this happen.
So what's next? Trump will be sentenced on July 11th, just days before the Republican National Convention, where Republicans will formally nominate him as a presidential candidate.
It's just a travesty for justice for a president who's done so much for this country, so much for the Republican Party. And we move forward by being there for him. He was always there for us, and we need to be there for him. So President Trump, Idaho supports you.
With the election season approaching quick, some say this election is going to be one to watch out for.
Right now with the two-party system, we really just have our two options, and then we're forced to choose between some greater evil. Doesn't really feel like the American people actually have people that they get to choose between anymore. We just have to pick what's going to feel the best for our two options.
Neither candidate is, in my personal view, a good candidate for this great country. I think there are much better politicians from both parties, from either party. So it's sad that we are in this place.
We reached out to Idaho Democrat Representative Lauren Necochea, who referred us to the Biden administration release. And to see that release, you can visit this story on our Idaho News 6 webpage. I'm your neighborhood reporter Jessica Davis, reporting for Idaho News 6.